Hey, what's going on, guys? Jose Cabrera here, coming again with another quick tutorial video here on my YouTube channel, guys. Thank you for watching the video. If this is one of your first times and you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you click the subscribe button and hit that notification bell, okay, guys? And on today's video, okay, guys, I'm gonna go over an amazing tool here on the Builderall platform called the Video Wrapper. Okay, it's basically a tool that can help you edit any type of videos that you might have, let you edit them very easily, and it's very newbie friendly, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go over it and just show you the basics on what you can do, how you can edit a video that you create very easily and fast. Okay, within minutes, you can have a video edited and download it, and you can upload it to anywhere that you want. Okay, even your website. So let's go in. So we're gonna talk about this one, the video wrapper. So let's go in it. I already have it opened. So once you open it, guys, it's gonna take you to this page, okay, where you're gonna have all your videos. As you see, I have all these below, okay. And to add a project, you would just click add a project, and it will let you name it and then add it, okay. So for this example, I already have a video. I'm gonna go into it, okay. Once you name the video, you can click the pencil to edit it, click the cloud to save it, or click the trash to delete it. Okay, so you click the edit button, and it takes you here where you are going to be able to edit it. Okay, so this is a video that I created here on the video wrapper. Okay, and as you can see, we have a few things that we can choose from. We have options, video, objects, and subtitles. So that's it. Okay, you have four options up here. Okay, four tabs, and I'm going to show you what each one of them exactly does. So the option one is pretty much the width and the height of the box here, and I'll show you. So it's on 1,000. Let's say I put it on 700. Okay, you see that? That's the width. Okay, so you can change the width. Okay, same as the height. You can do the same thing. Okay, see, it's shorter. All right, but we're gonna leave it at 1,000. Okay, so that's that, guys, and you can edit it real easy, guys. Very easy. This is the color of the background. You can change the background color here, as you can see. Okay, you can do whichever one you want. Okay, you can change it. Very easy, guys. Cool things. Okay, you can do a lot of things, guys. All right. So there you go. So you can choose the color, guys, and then the next tab is video. We're gonna go here. This is where you actually upload the video that you want to go ahead and edit. Okay, you just click on choose file, and it'll take you to the files you have on your computer, which you would choose the video that you want to upload, and that's it. Then after it uploads, come to the next tab. In this tab, you have add image and add text. So you can add an image from your computer. Once you click that, it'll say from computer. You just click on file, and very easily, it'll take you to the your files on your computer, right? When you can download, put whatever picture you want and anything else on here. You can also go to the library and you can choose from there. And then the text, same thing. Okay, guys. You go, here's the text. You can just type in the text that you want. They have the font, whichever font that you want. You can choose from a lot of them. Okay, then you center it, or you can have it on the left side, right side, and then the color of the actual text. Okay, blue or whatever color you want. Okay, so that's that, guys. Very simple, basic, right? The last one is the subtitles, where you can actually have subtitles here. that go into the video once it starts playing. Okay, so you can just click add subtitle. You click you can type in whatever you want it to say. So you can say hello, how are you? Right, just an example. All right, so you can just do that. Then here where it says start is basically where it's going to start. So 5 seconds in, right, and then when it's going to stop, right, and then you can just set it up. Okay, and then if you want to add more, you can add more and more and more very easily, guys. And then if you want to delete them, you just put the little trash can up right here. You can also import if you have any files that you want to bring in, so they can be subtitles. You can do that, and that's it, guys. Okay, that is it. After that, you pretty much just click on Save Project. It saves it on your computer. You definitely want to do that, and then you want to encode it. And once you encode it, it's going to basically download it and give you the final product, and then it tells you to download it to your computer. Okay, and then after that, it just downloads it, and you'll have it here in your files inside of your computer. Okay, and that's it. All right, so it's pretty basic, guys. You can create a lot of things in here. I've done so many videos, not just for me, but for the team and for different customers and people that have been wanting them. And you can definitely do this, for anybody, right? As a side gig or something you can put on Fiverr, and definitely make money. Okay, inside with Builderall, so you can definitely make money just with this one tool, guys. Okay, with the video wrapper. So it's definitely an amazing tool that I would definitely recommend any newbie that would want to edit any videos. Okay, and do them very quickly and easily. Okay, because after this, you can simply just upload it to your YouTube channel or anywhere you want to, and have a very nice video, okay, for people to be attracted to it, okay, because it'll stand out, okay. And if you have the right backgrounds, the right titles, color on the text and stuff like that, then it'll have a great result. Okay, so again, guys, and on this video, we talked about the video wrapper. It's a great tool, amazing tool, very easy to use for any newbie friendly, people out there that don't really, have skills on editing videos and stuff like that. This tool makes it very, very easy and is just one of many tools that you can see inside of the Builderall platform. Okay, so thank you guys for watching the video. Hopefully it gave you some great information. This is just one of many videos coming. So hopefully you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys on my next video.